exercise 1.1. The first question is given: use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of question number 1 is given 135 and 225. Okay, the question number 1, the first part is given 135 and 225. Okay, check it again, 135 and 225. Okay, now say from these two number which one is the greater? 225 is greater than 135. Okay, so 225 is what? Dividend, and this is the divisor. Now we can be write 225 equal, okay, 225 equal 135. Then divide this 225 then by the process of this. So 135, how many times it goes? One time. 135 1 how much? 135. Check it. If 2 times you will give, then 2 into 35 70, 2 into 1 2 270. So which is smaller, so we can be divided by 1 times it. Okay, subtract it. Then 5 minus 5 is what? 0. 2 minus 3 is smaller number. Then 12 minus 3 how much? 12 minus 3 how much? Tell me. 9. Okay, 12 minus 3 how much? Is 9. So it is how many times? 1 times plus 90. Now 135, continue this process. 135 is the divisor, dividend, and 90 is the divisor. Okay, again this 135 you can carry over here, so divide to this. How many time? 1 time. Then 90 divide to this one time is subtract. 90 subtract, then 5 minus 9, 5 minus 0 how much? 5. 13 minus 9 is what? 4. 45. So how many times? 1 time. Remainder how much? 45. Okay, again continue this process because the remainder is not become 0. So 90 equal to 90 is the dividend and 45 is the divisor. Into how many times can be right? Easily can be multiplied. 45 into 2 is 90. So the remainder is what? 0. This means the remainder 0 become, we can say, or HCF, the last divisor is what? 45. Therefore the HCF of it is what? 135 and 225 is 45. So this way can be solved. So which is using by Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so this is one of the methods. Other two methods you can be try in your home. Okay, so let us solve the question number 2. Okay, so read the question number 2. What is given? Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Okay, show that the some positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 out of this form. Any odd positive integer. Okay, so if you compare with the Euclid's division algorithm or Euclid's division lemma, then we can be write it. Suppose here a equal to 6q plus 1. Otherwise n also can be write integer. So here if you compare a equal to bq plus r. Okay, q is integer, 6 also another integer. This means 6 bq. So bq is, this means we can be say comparing this 6q plus 1 with the Euclid's division lemma, b equal to can be right here 6. And our condition what? 0 less than equal r less than b. So b if it is 6, suppose here 0 less than r less than equal to 6. Then other remainder is what? This is remainder is what? It may be, we can be write remainder equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it is 5 is less than 6. So 4 also less than 6, 3 also 4 less than 6, 2 as well as 1 and 0. Okay. So let us try. If b equal 6, r equal 0, then we can be write a equal to bq. B is what? 6. 6q plus 0. 6q plus 0 is what? 6q. Again b equal to 6, r equal to 1. Continue this process. B always 6 everywhere. 6, 6, 6. Okay. Then r equal to 1 next time. Then it is a equal to what? 6q plus 1. Okay. B equal to 6, r equal to 2. Then a equal to 6q plus 2. Similarly b equal to what? 6, r equal to 3. Then a equal to 6q plus 3. B equal to 6, r equal to 4. Then a equal to 6q plus 4. B equal to 6, r equal to 5. Then a equal to 6q plus 5. Okay. Now see, q is any integer, positive integer. Okay. Here in our question is given. So where q is some integer. Okay. Q is some integer. Suppose q 6q is given here. Okay. Q is some integer, mean if you choose 1, then 6 into 1 is what? 6. 6 is even or odd number? Tell me. It is even number. Suppose q equal to, you have chosen 2, then 6 into 2 is 12. 12 is odd or even? Obviously it is even. Similarly, and so on, if you want to try 6 into 3, 18, and so on. So all these are the even number. Anyhow, so we can be say 6q is even. Okay. Next one, 6q plus 1. Let us try 6q plus 1. Okay. Q is any integer. So let q equal to 1. Q equal to 1. Then 6 into 1 plus 1. 6 into 1 how much? 6 plus 1. 7. So it is 7. 7 is odd or even? Tell me. 7 is odd. Similarly 6 into 2. Q equal to 2 choose. Then 6 into 2 plus 1. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 1 13. So ultimately it is what? Odd number. And so on, you can be verified. So it is odd. And similarly this is also even, odd, even and odd. So according to our statement, every positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. You can check it. So 6q plus 1 is odd, 6q plus 3 is odd, 6q plus 5 is odd. We have shown over here. So therefore we can be write every positive odd integer is of the form as mentioned in your question. You can write over this last time. Okay. Okay, that's 3 number question. You can go through yourself in your home. Then let us solve the question number 4. Okay, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1.